Hey Mia, how's your workout going lately?
Hey Chris, it's going well, but it's hard. I've been pushing myself because I have some big goals this year.
Same here. I'm trying to be more serious about my routine. So, what are you focusing on right now?
Well, I really want to transform my body. I've always been overweight, and I feel like my body isn't well defined. My main goals are to have nice glutes, toned legs, a flat stomach, and a small waist.
That's a great goal, Mia. You're already making progress, I can see it. You've been consistent.
Thanks. It's not easy, but I'm motivated. I want to feel more confident in my body and wear clothes I've never dared to wear before.
I totally get that. I'm on a similar path, actually. I want to lose weight, especially around my stomach area. My belly fat makes me feel really uncomfortable.
I know what you mean. That abdominal fat is stubborn, but with a good routine and clean eating, we can reduce it.
That's what I'm trying to do, eating better and doing more cardio. I want to get a leaner body and just feel more healthy and active.
Yes, and not just for how we look, but also for how we feel. I get tired easily because of my weight, and I want to have more energy.
Me too. I also have joint pain sometimes from carrying extra weight, so I want to lighten my body and take care of myself.
That's so important. I also want to avoid health problems in the future. Obesity can lead to so many issues: diabetes, high blood pressure, back pain.
Exactly. It's more than just appearance. We're doing this for our health and happiness.
Right. And I know it takes time and patience, but I'm willing to work hard. I've started doing more glute-focused workouts like hip thrusts, kickbacks, and squats.
Nice. I'm doing HIIT, some treadmill running, and weight training to burn fat and build a little muscle.
That sounds great. Are you following a diet plan too?
Kind of. I'm avoiding sugar and fried food, and I'm eating more protein and veggies. How about you?
I'm cutting down on carbs and drinking more water. No more soda for me.
Same here. Water all day, every day.
One day at a time, right?
Exactly. We're not looking for quick results. We're working on real, lasting change.
And I think we can do it. I believe in both of us.
Thanks, Mia. Let's keep encouraging each other. We've got goals, and we're going to reach them.
Yes, we will. Let's go get those dream bodies. But more importantly, let's be strong and healthy.
Agreed. See you at the gym tomorrow?
You bet. Let's crush it.